Sometimes your Apple Watch screen can feel either too dim to read comfortably or a bit too bright, especially in different lighting conditions throughout the day. Whether you're outdoors in bright sunlight or indoors at night, having the right brightness level makes a big difference in how easy it is to see notifications, apps, and time at a glance. Many users don't realize that Apple Watch allows you to manually adjust brightness in just a few taps, giving you better control over your viewing experience. It's not something you need to change often, but once you know where the setting is, you can quickly tweak it anytime to match your surroundings. This small adjustment can make your watch feel much more comfortable and easier to use all day long. Try these. Step 1. Press the digital crown and open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Step 3. Tap on the brightness level option. Step 4. Use the decrease minus button to lower brightness. Step 5. Use the increase plus button to raise brightness. Step 6. Stop when the screen looks comfortable for your eyes.